right here. Oh, fuck me. You're good. Ah! Yeah, you gotta go up it. Somebody lost something.
And that little dugout gets way harder. That little dip, you see that? I had to ride through that. Keep coming.
He's probably gonna come up the center though, right?
He'll come up through there, but we can go on the outside. But it's technically, and whoever comes first, you start paying attention.
I never realized if I could perfectly see the GoPro light. Yeah.
This one? Yeah.
The bitch did not seem like she was having it. Oh, what is this right here? Oh, that's not what I thought it was. Don't come up this way.
That is Daniel. They get fucking like mountaintop bad.
I'm intrigued. Wait, is that two-way? Can I go like up that and then come back down?
Listen, we'll go up it. I can show you the lookout, but we can't go down the mountain.
Oh, down the backside?
Down the backside of Daniel. This is the front side.
All right. I like how it says not advised, but you can still do it. Oh, wow. Make sure you're leaning forward when you go up those. Oh wow, this is one hell of a road. Oh, I see the rocks now. That looks like fun. That's not a problem. Brandon's a bitch.
around this whole thing, but I don't remember us getting up the side. I think we're going up Daniel.
This isn't that bad.
It gets way worse though. If Jen was on a bike, she would not be able to.
Oh, I know. If I did this, like I think I've seen this on YouTube before.
Yeah, this
with
is
Jeeps.
one of the biggest things on YouTube. Like, you're literally in the heart of like Daniel. This is Daniel. This is one of the hardest trails in North Carolina. Yeah, we're definitely going up Daniel.
I mean, right now it's not too bad. If it gets too bad, we'll turn around.
Yeah. The only problem is the bikes. We'll have to help them turn around.
Yeah.
They're slow because they don't know where the fuck to go.
Yeah.
They're like a mouse in a maze.
I can tell them. I can tell her where to go.
All right.
217. Oh, my bike's dying. That was easy.
I know where we're at. We're not even at the heart. This is just the entrance. I remember now. It's been a while. I remember this.
That's easy. That was fun. That's like what I fuck around with.
That is just like maybe a tenth of what's up the head.
That's like that's what we ride in New England. Like that's the normal. That's not the hard stuff.
That's like the hardest entry out of all the trails down there.
I'm a little warm.
You want to pull off?
Is it flat for a little bit?
It's flat.
Okay, then yeah, we're good. Oh my god. Oh man. There's like 30 people. There's side by sides and shit. You guys stop at the top if you can. The hill, yeah. Is there a pull off or no? We have 2 more on quads. All right, well, they're coming up, so figure it out. They're in 3 side-by-sides. No, we have 2 more quads.
2 more?
Yeah. They're good.
That's so nice having that, because you can tell them to stay behind and she knows.
Yeah, that's what I told her.
Man, this fucking thing sucks for front brakes. You ride this thing?
No.
The front brakes suck.
Yeah, I figured.
That's because you don't got any disc, it's strong. You move up to a 150, it's a disc.
It's disc, yeah, that's what I told her.
You tell her the lime green one's the last one?
No, but she figured it out.
So this is the fucking, this is the ball buster. We gotta go up and then straight rock.
Brandon, you're lying to me about how big the hole That's nice and easy. We gotta come down. You good? Alright, we're about to lose you. Brandon just wants to go for it. Hello. Wow. I made it to the very top of the mountain. Wow. That was too easy, Brandon.
This is just the top of it. You're not even at it.
Dude, this is sick.
Hey, the rocks like that are all down there and have holes in front of you. People are breaking the vehicles on the axles have snapped like steering wheel.
Yeah, I think I've seen this trail before.
This is the highest point of this. All this.
We're all the way up at the top of the hill.
Yeah. And it's like this coming all the way up. You can't make up with the ATV. I've gone up it from the bottom.
You good? Good?
Tell her to stay to the left.
Stay to the left.
As far as you can by the guardrail. Tell her to keep it in gear and shut it off at the park.
Yeah, keep it in gear and shut it off. And put it in park.
They're trying to maneuver up to Daniel.
I'm going all the way up or Brandon?
Where Brandon is probably. God damn. This is pretty wild. I could get up this with a bike.
I mean, you can, but
I can 100%.
Hey,
This is what I love doing.
Look at me. There's divots that come straight up.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna walk this. This is cool.
You can walk it, but I'm just telling you, it's a lot worse than what you've seen. Is he attempting it?
Am I going?
He's attempting it?
My fucking thumb.
Get some GoPro footage of this. Oh wow. actually down a little bit. We're watching this Jeep come up. See, if the Jeep can make it, my bike can make it.
Yeah, well, he's probably got lockers in that thing.
Yeah, I would imagine that's like fully built. Everything's been touched.
He's got a lot of money.
Hey,
Locker.
your rear locker.
Oh, there you go. That's all you need.
Jeez. You guys come here a lot.
Yeah. I'm looking for one of these. You see it?
A pin like that. Where, around here?
Yeah.
I don't think we're gonna go down then. We found one.
What's it for, the sway bar? Sway bar end links?
Sway bar end link.
That guy just made it look easy.
Oh yeah. It's not that easy.
I got a 98 Cherokee that's lifted 6 inches. I'm putting an LS in it. And I'm putting lockers in it over here. Oh shit.
Oh, damn. Wow. Oh, you're a little hung up.
It's nice to have lifted stuff, Jacob.
Hey,
I do have lifted stuff. I have a K10.
hey, Dan. Hey.
Oh, rear locker.
Your rear locker's not locked.
Oh, there we go. Oh, look at how much work lockers do. Whew. You made it look easy.
What's that?
That is 6.5.
I'm sorry?
That's an inline 6, right?
No, it's the
3.8.
unfortunately.
The Mackey's motor?
Which one, the Pentastar one or the other one?
It's the older one. That's the 3.6 started in like 2012. That's a 10.
It's a nice rig.
Appreciate it.
How many times have you done Daniel? This the first time?
Oh,
This
no,
year?
no.
Yeah.
Is that what this is?
This is the one? Huh?
Is that what this
This
is?
is Daniel.
Yeah, fuck no. Good thing you're riding my bike.
I don't think we're going down that.
We're not going down.
Well, even coming up this shit, I wouldn't have made it.
I made it, no problem.
How bad is the bottom where the lip is at the bottom where the turn is? Is it pretty bad?
For a bike, I have no idea. I mean,
Well, I mean, were you up like this to get up it? Or did you
it's
go
still
around?
smooth, yeah.
You went
can
around
go
it?
around. You
Yeah.
can definitely go around.
My friend Johnny had a Jeep. It was a 13 or 14 or 12, and he had 40s on it. And he had like 580 something gears in the rear, and it was thick. Well, he started hopping on that bottom boulder and fucking snapped his pinion right in his rear end.
Yeah.
He didn't even get up here.
Doing that.
But we've gone. I mean, he's never actually attempted it, but we've gone through Dickie Bell and all the other ones.
Yeah.
I take the bikes. We go riding the other ones, but I just like to come up here and get the view and feel the wind.
Yeah. Yeah, that first ledge is still a little,
Still a little
rough.
It was really bad at one point where it was all washed out and you had to get speed to come up around the bend and hit the berm. You know?
That second part after that used to be another ledge right there. It's all washed out now and it's just a big V.
Oh shit! I rolled both my bikes through there.
Yeah.
When you get past that ledge, the second where you're talking about the berm, yeah, I fucking tipped both bikes through there.
Yeah.
It was bad a couple of years ago. It's so quiet though. It's a great place to go camping.
Yeah. Really is. You giving up, Fred?
Yeah.
Alright. You ready?
Poor
They
guy.
have some at the outpost.
Nah, I don't think that. It's a special. He can put a fucking zip tie in there, but he don't want to do that.
Always keep mechanics learned. You can wrap it through sometimes and just get home.
Well, no, you just get extra of those pins now because they disappear.
There was a Dodge that was down here and it was twisted and it was all cut up for a trail rig.
Yeah.
When I came up here with my buddy, the guy was stuck just before that stump where that little tree is, and he was down there and he snapped the tie rod in right off, and they had to wrap it up with a strap and zip tie it through the eyelet.
His fucking his track bar bracket ripped off the axle one time, and we ratchet strapped it together and drove like 30 miles down the road.
Oh my.
Welder.
Yeah, that guy down the road. Yeah, on the main road. Yeah.
But does that guy weld everyone's trail rigs that breaks?
He does custom stuff. He has a truck. He goes out places and welds with heavy equipment.